Greetings, future scholars and academics. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is important, crucial for success in academia, and that is building a strong professional network. We will explore ins and outs of networking, uncover practical strategies for expanding your and discover how it can propel your academic and professional journey to new heights. Now, before we get started, let's address the elephant in the room. Why is networking so important in academia? Well, networking is more than just exchanging business cards at conferences. It's about cultivating meaningful relationships with colleagues and mentors and collaborators who can support and elevate your academic endeavors. Now, picture this. You're at a conference, nervously clutching your coffee cup as you scan the room for potential networking opportunities, and suddenly you spot a renowned professor whose work you've always admired. Do you seize the moment and introduce yourself, or do you retreat to the safety of the buffet table? Spoiler alert, always seize the moment. Now let's talk about the mirage benefits of building a professional network in academia. Now, from assessing career opportunities and funding sources to collaborating on research projects and receiving mentorship and support, your network is your secret weapon for success. And in academia world, you can't do without a network. So how do you go about building a professional network? Well, my friends, I've got you covered. That's why I'm here. There are practical strategies that can help expand your network and forge meaningful connections. Now, number one, you want to attend networking opportunities, which is attending conferences and workshops. Now, conferences and workshops are prime opportunities to meet fellow academics, present your research, engage in scholarly discussion. You want to be proactive. You want to introduce yourself to speakers and attendees, and don't be afraid to strike up conversations. Now, the second thing, you want to join professional associations. Now, professional associations provide a platform for networking, professional development, and also for collaborations. Now, you want to consider joining associations that are relevant to your field of study, and you want to actively participate in their events and activities. Now, the third thing I'm going to talk about is you want to utilize online platforms. In today's digital age, online platforms such as LinkedIn, ResearchGate, Academic Social Network offer invaluable networking opportunities. Now, you want to create a compelling online profile. You want to connect with colleagues and peers, and you want to engage with relevant content and discussions. The fourth thing I'm going to tell you about, which is super important, is you want to seek mentorship. Mentorship is a cornerstone of academic success. You want to identify mentors who can offer guidance, who can offer support, and advise you throughout your academic journey. And you want to reach out to potential mentors, and you also want to express interest in their work. You want to be open to learning from their experiences. Now, imagine that you're attending a conference on a sustainable energy research, for example, and during a coffee break, you strike up a conversation with a fellow researcher who shares your passion for renewable energy. Now, before you know it, you're exchanging contact information and you're discussing potential collaboration opportunity. That's the power of networking in action. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that networking is a skill that can be honed and mastered with practice and guidance. And for a comprehensive course and a comprehensive resource on networking and professional development, I do invite you to explore the course product available on Graduate Excel. From networking strategies to career advancement tips, we have got everything that you need to take your academic and professional journey to the next level. Well, my future scholars and academics, that concludes our exploration of building a strong professional network in academia. And I hope you found this episode enlightening and inspiring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your peers and your loved ones and your friends. Until next time, keep networking, keep growing, and never stop pushing your academic aspirations. This is Professor Fodike signing off. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Professor Fodike Unplugged.